Hi guys, welcome back to another vlog. So in today's video, we are going to be talking about the window tint that I had installed sa kotse ko. Now, just to give you an overview, this tint right here, it was made by Phantom, and ito yung yung clear tint nila na may greenish shade. So we're going to be talking more about it, how it performs. I am going to be telling you guys what I think about it, and just to set your expectation, this review is going to be really honest. Since itong install na to, it was not sponsored, that means I can say whatever it is that I'd like to say regarding the tint, good or bad. So without further ado, let's dive into it. This tint right here, it was installed maybe 2 months ago, give or take. Before, black tint yung nakakabit sa kotse ko, and nadiliman ako kasi yun nga, I do most of my commute at night. Mahirap makita yung labas paggabi, so yun, I opted for a clear tint, and yan, ito yung napili ko, itong Phantom tint, kasi I did some research, and based on the review that I've been seeing online, maayos naman daw. Mataas daw yung heat rejection, mataas daw yung rejection sa UV rays, and I believe that. So I went ahead and pulled the trigger, had it installed, and at the shop they even had this gauge na sinusukat yung mga ganon, yung VLT, yung pagpasok ng ultraviolet rays, things like that. Hindi ako ganun ka-technical, pero they were comparing the old tint and this right here, and yung may difference talaga. Nakikita mo sa gauge yung difference, and I believed what it was saying, and yun, pina-install ko. And it was a bit pricey, I have to admit. Na-install siya. Okay, so maganda naman yung pagkaka-install. Kudos to the shop that did the install. And initial thoughts, pagkasakay ko ng sasakyan, okay, malinaw, madaling makita yung labas. So okay, that was pretty good. Kinagabihan, I drove around, ayos. Yun yung mga one of the siguro strong points of having this kind of tint. Nung paggabi, malinaw talaga siya. I don't think that you'll ever have any issues with driving at night with this kind of setup. Yung clear tint ang harap, clear tint ang side. The day after, umuwi ako, and I came home, siguro afternoon na, tanghali na, mainit yung araw. And one thing that I noticed straight away was that nararamdaman ko pa rin yung init sa balat ko. Okay, so I thought to myself, okay, maybe kay install lang, baka it needs time to be broken in, baka binebreak in pa. I didn't know, I'm not really sure. So yun, I gave it a couple of days, and sure enough, after a couple of days, ganun pa rin. No difference whatsoever. Ay, mainit pa rin. During that point, I thought to myself, okay, bakit ganito? I was expecting improvement. Kasi nga, mas mataas yung heat rejection niya versus dun sa old tint ko. And dun yung old tint ko, I mean, though hindi siya ganun ka-branded, it was doing a great job. Yung hindi ako ganun naiinitan sa balat. With this, given na ito yung pricier alternative, and given the fact na mas mataas yung mga reading niya with its heat rejection, things like that. So I was thinking, since mataas yung mga reading niya, bakit ganun? Bakit it does not translate to satisfaction? Kasi yun nga, naiinitan pa rin ako. Okay, so I guess what I'm telling you guys is, in my case, hindi siya sa tingin ko hindi siya ganun ka-effective. Now, of course, the gauges and things like that, it can tell you otherwise. It can tell you that it's got high heat rejection, it's got ang rejection from the UV rays, and that might be true. Pero I mean, at the end of the day, it's really what you feel when you're inside the car that matters. And ayun, kapag nakasakay ako, especially pag tirik yung araw, ayun, nararamdaman ko pa rin talaga yung init ng araw. And when I touch the interior of the car, dashboard, the sidings, I can still feel the heat from the sun. Mainit pa rin siya, which is opposite to what I was seeing on the reviews. They were dun sa mga review na nakita ko, they were claiming na kahit nabilad yung kotse sa araw, kahit pag hinipo mo daw yung interior, hindi daw mainit. Pero sa akin kasi hindi ganun yung hindi ganun yung na-experience ko. And again, as I mentioned earlier, I mean, at the end of the day, it's how you feel when you're inside the car that matters, really. Did it give me additional comfort? Oo, pag nagmamaneho ako sa gabi, at least kita ko yung labas. So that right there is its advantage. Pero apart from that, wala na akong makitang advantage eh. Sa totoo lang, heat rejection, a big no for me. Really, wala talaga. Almost non-existent. And to be honest, ayun, daig pa siya nung dating nakakabit na tint na mas mura lang. So yun, that's what really disappointed me. Mahal yung binayad ko, pero I did not get what I was expecting to get. I hope this video helps for you guys who are looking for a set of clear tint na mataas ang heat rejection. I would suggest that you look elsewhere because this brand right here is probably going to disappoint. Pero syempre, before we end the video, I will show you how it looks from the outside. So yan, pasensya na medyo maingay. So yan, at least maporma siya. Yun, another advantage of it. Maganda naman yung shade of green niya. So I guess that's one of the advantages of having this brand. Pero yun, heat rejection, it's a fail for me. Sorry, I have to be really honest. So yun, this will be the end of the video. If you like the video, do all of the nice things, like, share, subscribe. I will see you guys on the next video. Peace.